If you want to have seamless progression between levels with unique rules, game instance and game modes come in handy. The game instance allows the persistence of data between levels. Created one can find it in Blueprint game instance. I also added some scoring variables. Don't forget to set it as your default game instance in project settings, maps, and modes. Game mode allows the control of specific rule sets in gameplay or level specific rules. I already created two game mode based blueprints and set some simple functions to transition from one level to the other, as well as updating the multiplier for the second level. Also, a small gate to allow moving from one level to the other. In order to show the score, made a basic coin pickup with that logic, and from the player character, a quick and dirty way to show the score. Now, when testing it, in the first level, you pick up the coins and they get tracked in the score. In the second level, the score multiplier is increased, so each coin gives 3 times as much. As you can see, the data persisted between levels. Tune in every 2 weeks for more quick tips and tricks for Unreal Engine 5. Thanks for watching.